Hello everyone. In the next few minutes I'm going to show you how to use the Latex outputter on your Écrit user documentation. For this short introduction into the topic, I'll use an existing E4 project that already contains some basic user documentation, as you can see here. So either select your application model file or your product file, right click it, say Écrit, create documentation. In this dialog, choose the Latex output. And as we do not have a Latex project yet, we say create new directory. Press OK. This might take a moment as the entire template needs to be populated properly. And here we go. This text file gives you the opportunity to make some final changes in the documentation. If we scroll a bit down, we can see our documentation was populated into the template. On the right hand side you can see the basic document structure. As mentioned in the basic introduction video, the structure is based on the ISO standard for software user documentation. We got an introduction chapter over here, then it's followed by the concept of operations with how to install and uninstall the software, how to navigate through the software interface and so on. Then there is an information on software commands chapter, and in the end we left room for error messages and problem resolutions. You could put in a glossary there, some navigational features and so on. So let's take a look at the PDF version of such a Latex output. So with the help of a template, we created a quite nice looking user documentation out of the Latex file. Here we can see the table of content, and there is some information about the available main menus, toolbars and perspectives. Zoom in a bit, we can see there is even an exemplary image of the perspective, and there are all the others. And over here you can see there's quite a list of user commands. If we go over here, there's the basic structure. First there is a description, what does this command do, the requirements, you have to be logged in or not, it's executable from there and there, and in the end there's some completion information, what happens when this command is finished. So that was a rough overview about what you can do with your Latex output, and I hope you enjoyed.